Hello, welcome to my Lifestyle with Sharon YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go and get my hair done. So I'm just doing a before show. This is how it is at the moment. I usually just dye it blonde, but I'm going in to get it cut and I'm going to dye the bottom half purple. So I'll show you some more after I've filmed at the hairdressers. Yeah, I'm sitting here waiting in Dannys hairdressing salon, ready to get my colour on. So I'll show you in a minute how that is doing. So as you can see, this is my hair now. Doesn't it look lovely? I'm really happy with it. So Dannys Hairdressers in Listowel is a perfect place to go and get your hair done. Thanks for watching.